We are in a phase where things are moving towards you don't really need to learn all of the softwares or all of the tools. Rather, you need to learn the creative side of things.
Everyone's worried about AI replacing animation, but this fear isn't new. What's an older animation technology that people once feared would ruin the art form that now just feels like part of the history?
I would say is 3D animation.
Every older Disney generation artist used to say, oh, cell shading has soul in it, but digital does not. But now we are in a digital world, we're making everything digitally. Same goes for CGIs.
This will be the big challenge, I think, for the industry in the future. You're gonna write a prompt and AI will give you stuff, but then you need to read. This frame is not that good, or this movement. You will have to have professionals to look at what AI gives you and know to see those flaws.
I see it taking away all the technical stuff and giving us artists more chance to use art.